Hey, what's up everybody? It's Jody Young, Realtor with Empire Property Group LLC of Keller Williams. Today I'm at 2830 Asbury Place, and you know what they say, you don't judge a book by its cover. This is why. Get inside, let's go. Everyone comes in and they love where they live. It's a place where you can feel at home. There's two living rooms. The upstairs living room, which is a more formal, where you can hang out with friends or after dinner. And then the downstairs family room where we can watch the big game. Added some new features. This is a renovation, so we took out the old rail and put in a nice bookshelf so that you have more storage space. Something that looks clean, casual, fits the vibe of the house. This massive renovation turned out perfect. We've got a brand new kitchen, soft closed doors, stainless appliances. We added an extra window for more lighting. I love the way it turned out. It feels light, bright, airy. Great place to gather and entertain. Have a good time with the people you love. One car attached garage, super clean. Drop your keys, come in through the mudroom, get ready to start your evening. Laundry area up here, that's laundry area number 1. Come into the kitchen, grab yourself a beverage, come inside and sit down, go outside and sit down. Huge deck. Great place. Upstairs, you'll love this. There's 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. This is bedroom number 2. Again, 3 bedrooms on the main level. And this is the upstairs master bedroom or upstairs primary bedroom. Plenty of space for big furniture and a big bed. Follow me through here. This is bathroom number 2 on the main level. Huge shower. If you can't get clean in here, I got no way to help you. I'm sorry. And then downstairs you have the huge master suite, extra large bedroom. I can't wait to show you this spa-like bathroom. It's got the 72-inch vanity, tons of storage, double bow sink, composite tile, oversized tiles on the wall. I love the way this turned out. It's beautiful. Through this door, we have a huge walk-in closet. Plenty of storage on the right for shoes and accessories. And then behind me, plenty of hanging storage. And then on this side, you've got the makeup vanity with the lighted mirror with direct access to laundry room number 2. We created the upstairs laundry room and a downstairs laundry room because who wants to carry clothes up or down? It's just not convenient. And if the idea is to love where you live, let's take the hassle out of living in a house like that. On the other end, we've got some cool built-ins for hangings and storage as well. Just love the way the light comes through and makes this a place where you don't dread having to fold some clothes. We've got a brand new tankless hot water heater that serves all 3 bathrooms because who wants to run out of hot water when you live in a hot house like this? And my favorite part, bringing it full circle back to the family room. Coming outside, we've got a nice patio to gather, fire up the grill. We've got an upper level deck, huge deck, love the deck. And then we have the shaded seating underneath to get out of the sunshine. So your level of comfort inside and out, we've got what you need right here. Check this out, 2830 Asbury Place, love where you live, let's go.